Good morning, fellow billionaires. This is Silver 5150 with your morning update for Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. Bought out a little gold today for you guys to gander at, and wait a minute, that's not gold. That is copper. That is right, as copper from the Golden State Mint, St. Gaudens design. But I'm going to work with some copper today to make the case to you guys about investor psychology. We're going to talk about investor psychology tonight. That's going to be a theme. I think we're going to have some fun doing that, and I'm going to show you guys some stuff maybe you've seen, maybe you haven't. All right, so just bear with me. I know a lot of you metal stackers, precious metal stackers, are kind of rolling your eyes skyward right now, but look, man, it's going to be fun. Trust me. All right, more importantly, there is a ADP report out there, a jobs report for the United States, okay? That is the biggest in the history of the country, okay? What we're talking about here is we're talking about 20 plus million jobs were lost for the month of April in the U.S., all right? Compared to the month prior in March, where jobs were gained. There were 291,000 jobs added to the job pool in the U.S. the month prior. That represents a 10,000% devaluation in the job market in the U.S. You would think a report like that would send the stock market tumbling 20% right out the gate. But thanks to the Federal Reserve and the Treasury and their unlimited money printing, I don't care what kind of bills Congress is passing. I don't care what kind of stimulus packages they're giving a number to, 6 trillion, 12 trillion, whatever. The truth is that those two institutions, the Federal Reserve and the United States Treasury, have unlimited carte blanche ability to spend whatever they need to spend to keep the stock market afloat, which I am not against. I just don't like when they pile on precious metal at the same time, keeping it from true price discovery. But that's okay. As a result, of course, stock market futures are up, even though we have lost 20 plus million jobs here in the United States for the month of April, coming into the third quarter. All right, we're going to come into the third quarter here in July. We are seeing stock market gains. Stock market is up in futures trading 1% across the board. Right. And of course, the stock market is valued in dollars. We talked about the dollar yesterday. The dollar is down today. So by extension, every other asset that's valued in dollars should be up in the number of dollars. Right. But wrong. Metals are down today. Even though stocks are up today, metals are down today. Cryptos are down today. All of the alternative assets that are opposed to the dollar, right, that are opposed to the dollar as a currency, of course, are getting hit. So while we have these two institutions propping up stocks and keeping the stock market buoyant and probably even lifting it up, at the same time, they're working actively against the other asset classes to make sure you stay clear of those and you don't ever see those or not interested in those, and you only get into stocks and paper assets. Right? It's a game they've been playing for a long time. It's a game that we've been preparing for. The tail risk involved, this is why we invest. Okay, in precious metals, but that's all right. So we will see how that's going to play out this week. Now, I had Fred Gar, he had messaged me, and he's thinking, what's going to be the final numbers for precious metals this weekend, so see if we can shop. And I'm thinking we're going to see probably, 1775 to 1795 in silver. So $17.95, $17.75 for the spot price, and that'll give us something to work with this weekend. Hopefully there's some good sales. There's a lot of good things on the shelves again. They've got RCM 10-ounce bars, and they've got some nice coins back, and, plenty of rounds and stuff. So let's just see if we can get underneath that $20 threshold, to purchase, per ounce for some of these items, on silver. And then on gold, I'm expecting that they're going to try to get it down into the 16s, probably $16.95 as we go into the weekend, $1,695 spot price per ounce. That's my projection based on what I'm seeing in the markets. And so we'll see how close we get to that, and if we can take advantage of that, get some more 2.5 gram bars in our stack. Those are always very nice to have. All right, so we are going to watch the markets today. We're going to see how much money they're going to pump into the system, because I'm telling you guys, that jobs number, 20 plus million jobs lost just in the U.S., that's not around the globe. I'm sure in your countries and, in some of your business channels, you can hear the numbers coming out, in terms of how badly the virus has affected, a lot of economies and stuff, and how many jobs are lost around the globe. There should be no positive news in the markets today, except for precious metals and possibly cryptos. But it's the opposite, because it's being bought and paid for, price to perfection. That's the kind of world we live in. But what do? We shop to get past that. We shop and we stack and we prepare. So Anyway, that's all I got for this morning. If I continue on, I'm going to get more upset. I'm not going to do that because it's a great day. It's a positive day. Every day is a good day. Any day above ground is a better day, better than the day below, right? All right, but we'll see you tonight. We're going to talk. We're going to talk copper. All right. I hope you join us. We can talk copper. We're going to talk investor psychology when it comes to certain types of investments and whatnot, and we'll have a lot of fun with that. So I hope to see you there. Go out and have a great day. Keep up your cellular immunity. Continue being good to folks. Continue stacking. And continue being a blessing. He, the big guy, God, he likes that. So, all right, go on and take on a day, and we will see you at the show tonight. Take care.